schedule with these videos. I'm going to be making them weekly. So with that said, I'm going to see y'all next week.
Hey. Yeah, I don't know why the hell I just told y'all that. We a week and a day later, man. Welcome to the vlog. Oh, well, that's fitting. What's going on, tribe? You guys see the title of the video, so you already know what's going on. I am here at Mom's Organic Market in Washington, D.C. If you live in the area, come check it out. Dope place. But throughout this video, I'm going to be showing you guys a few replacements for your everyday household items that are way more sustainable, because a lot of us know the effects that plastic have. Yeah, I meant to say has right there. On the environment and ourselves. Like, we've seen the plastic oceans, we've seen the sea turtles with plastic straws up their nose, we've seen BPA and its estrogen-like effects, and some people wake up and feel called to action, while there's other people that have no idea where to start. So if that's you, then stick around. This video can be a great starting point for you, and hey, we on this journey together. Before I run in here, you guys know my drill. Any problem, stress, anything weighing you down, look at all that, give it that, you feel me? And I'm gonna see you guys inside this market.
Drug water.
Drug water? I'm with it. Much better than the shot last week. Alright, welcome back to another voiceover. They had a lot of background music playing that had copyright in it, and hey, I need my YouTube banned soon, you feel me? But if you recall from my first video, I was talking about how I don't have a composter and how I compost in bags and I freeze them and I bring them into a health food store. These are the bags that I use. They're called bio bags. They're made out of recycled plant material, and you can put your food scraps directly into here. And like I said, you can either freeze them to stop it from breaking down or bring it into a Whole Foods or a store like this, and you should be good to go. I like to use this parchment baking paper instead of aluminum foil. For one, way more sustainable for the environment, and for two, healthier for yourself. I've heard that aluminum can like leach into your food when it's cooked at a high temperature, and I'm not doing the science experiments to fact check that, but all you gotta do is tell me that and I'm good, to be honest with you. They have these bees wraps to replace your normal plastic Glad wrap. So if you like to cook a lot and preserve your food afterwards, check these out. They're made out of beeswax. They actually hold shape very well. You can rewash them and reuse them, and they're pretty dope. They come in different sizes, and they preserve food fresher than plastic does, in my opinion. Maybe because it's thicker, I'm not sure, but I like them a lot. If you throw a lot of events and use plastic cups, then I would suggest switching them out with something like these. These are petroleum-free cups right here, plastic-free, and they look everything like plastic, except for they biodegrade. So I don't see why we wouldn't use those, you feel me? And they have a whole bunch of different types of cups over here. They have straws right here so we can save the sea turtles, and they have silverware, plasticware, cornware type stuff. This is made out of corn. I don't know, that's kind of crazy, right? I would buy those literally just because they're made out of corn. This whole section over here will get your whole kitchen right, for real. They have the tree-free compostable plates made out of sugar cane. Man, this is crazy over here. And if you can see over in the little corner, they got the organic paper towels and toilet paper, chlorine free, all of that. This store is dope, y'all. I told y'all, come check that out if you're in the area. This section over here really caught my interest because while it's expensive, so I'm not saying go drop your bread on this stuff, I think this is a dope idea for the future. We know that kids use a lot of materials and supplies for school, and at the end of the year, that stuff goes somewhere, you feel me? So they have these decomposition books and like sustainable glue sticks and wooden staples and wooden staplers and just a whole bunch of sustainable stuff for kids. I think that's extremely important, so hopefully one day we can get those prices lowered down. They have these reusable water bottles, you know how that goes. Save the plastic water bottles and use these, fill up at a water filter or something, and you are set. This is actually one of my favorite areas in the whole store. You got your organic soaps and oils and toothpaste, deodorant, all of that. I didn't buy any this trip because I've started making my own, and I'm going to show you guys that. But I thought this was pretty cool. It was a copper tongue scraper. I don't have the number on the top of my head, but I'm about to drop the number down below of how many toothbrushes and tongue scrapers humans use per year, and it will blow your mind, dog. So much waste. So much waste. All right, let me get myself ready for this section right here. Sustainable proteins, man. They had dime bags of the crickets. Dime bags of the chili lime crickets. I almost threw up just talking about that. They had all these different flavors up here just sitting there looking at you, waiting for you to throw up on them. They had chips made out of bugs, like cricket flour, all types of stuff, y'all. This was insane. Y'all know I'm plant-based, so I'm not really rocking with this, but I guess it is kind of sustainable because, I mean, crickets are sustained. They just be out here breeding and being alive. So if the future ever goes to shit, I guess we eating bugs, y'all. But until then, sit back, enjoy the rest of the video.
Thank you.
It's so new, right?
I had a dream about buying a camera.
For what?
Really?
Just
To take pictures and I don't know if I wanted to record or not, but I had a dream about black and white pictures.
no other purpose in life right now than to show up and be your son.
You guys are full of positivity.
Oh, thank you.
I wanted to show you guys this real quick. They have this to come and recycle all your stuff. You see eyewear, corks, shoes. They got electrical equipment, and you can drop your compost off in this container right here. And they even have a little spot for plastic bags too. So I broke the first rule of sustainable shopping, which is bring your own bag. Do that, y'all. Even though this is compostable and recyclable, don't no tree want to be chopped down for no reason. You feel me? You can save those resources. Check my GPS. Where the fuck am I going?
Or
4 minutes. Y'all know what those mean. Y'all know what those mean right there.
Gentrification.
Spinach, a little bit of spicy chickpeas, and peppers and onions.
She dancing? Yo. Everything in the window. So I still have other window. I'm reading all that shit.
Hey, there was somebody that was trying to recruit people to fight the angel of death back there. And I just want to know why the hell she thinks she's going to win that battle. Like, why she think I want to be in that shit? She ain't asked me. She knew better than that. Hey, don't hit my rental, cuz. Hey, cuz, don't hit my rental. Alright, so I hope that you guys have enjoyed the vlog so far. I'm going to show you guys what I got from the store earlier, along with a few other sustainable things that I believe are the basics for starting a more sustainable journey and lowering your carbon footprint. First up, you're going to need a bag to put everything in, because the plastic bags, we got to cut that. That's trash behavior, literally. What I use sometimes is a reusable backpack. I'm not going to show it too much on the camera because my camera's pretty HD and this backpack's old and 2 + 2, right? But also most grocery stores sell reusable bags for cheap that you can wash and reuse over and over again. You just get how many you need for your normal grocery trip and build a habit of carrying it with you and always having it with you, and hey, you'll be doing a great job to be more sustainable, right? Next up, you need some water, because all humans need water on them 24/7. If you don't, then I don't trust you, because that's a dangerous situation. What if you start choking on your spit? Like, I know I choke on my spit. What am I supposed to do? Drink some more spit? Okay, so I've got right here a basic mason jar. Be careful with these though, because the lids are made out of metal and they are prone to rusting, and nobody wants no rusty ass water. So make sure you keep the lids relatively dry. And a better option would be a stainless steel water bottle. They sell those for cheap pretty much all over the place. So look around for one of those. Get your water from wherever the hell you want. Just make sure you're not putting it in a plastic bottle, because that's not the way. These two things you guys saw at Mom's. These are the bio bags and the bees wraps. This isn't sponsored, but if you guys, want to throw me some. Anyways, I'm gonna show you guys exactly how these two things work. Say you got an orange, right? You start peeling your orange, because that's just what you do, and then you put it in a bio bag, and you can just keep it in here and drop it off at your local place, or you can freeze this and add to it throughout the week and then drop it off, or you can put this straight in the compost, because this is compostable. It's just all good. And what do you do with the rest of the orange, you ask? Because for whatever reason you're deciding to save it, you're gonna put it in one of these bees wraps, and you just take this, you wrap the orange in it, and the heat from your hands seal it, and then you just got this, and you put this back in the refrigerator, and you have yourself an orange for later. Don't save oranges though, that's just odd. So that's how those two things work. As you guys can see, that's why I like them. They're very, very easy. And this is made out of, I know it looks like it has some plastic on the front, but it's actually just vegetable cellulose, and that's kind of cool, right? That's all that I got from the store this trip. But I want to show you guys something real quick. Actually, I got this from the store too. It's just some organic bug spray because West Nile virus is back. I'm gonna show you guys my toothpaste and my mouthwash. This is all DIY. The main things you'll need for the toothpaste is some type of baking soda and coconut oil and your essential oils and some more things. But I'll leave some recipes for you guys, and they have some all over Pinterest, all over YouTube already. They are extremely easy to make, and it does save you money over time, and you're not throwing away toothpaste tubes, and you can just put them in this glass and reuse it over and over again and recycle the glass if you decided not to. Next up for the mouthwash, I just put some water and a little bit of diatomaceous earth in there because it's good for removing the bad bacteria. And then I put the essential oils in there like tea tree, clove, and peppermint, just to freshen up everything and to also help with destroying all them bacteria. That's super easy to make. Let me know if you guys just want to see me do it, even though I can like kind of tell you, or I'll post a recipe somewhere. When I perfect it, I don't want to say do this and it's trash, because I might like it and I might think I'm doing something over here, and the whole time nobody likes it. That would be horrible. So yeah, that's pretty much everything. That's gonna wrap up this vlog. If you'd like to give it a thumbs up, subscribe down below and all that stuff. Since I told you guys I was gonna do a video weekly and I didn't upload last week, I don't think I did, unless I dropped on Monday. Did I drop on Monday last week? I don't remember what's day. If I didn't drop last week, then I owe you guys a vlog. I'm gonna go ahead and drop 2 vlogs this week, maybe even 3. You know I like to promise things that challenge me a little bit. So make sure you subscribe, turn the notifications on so you will know when that drops and you'll follow me along. I'm not perfect. I'm not saying I'm the most sustainable person with this whole video, but I am beginning to act more consciously in my efforts. So this is the beginning for me. It's the beginning for you if you want it to be. And we about to just go ahead and just turn up on this planet, and we about to get this thing back. Take this planet back, you feel me? Hey, I love you, and bye. Do this right. I love you. Bye. Wait, guys, don't go yet. If you're still, this is like my Marvel credits. This is, if you're still around, then you a real one, because this is where I'm gonna show you guys my plant haul for the week real quick. I got this variegated angel vine. I don't have any variegated plants in this whole house. I think that's bizarre, so I had to cop one of these. It's actually like a great size. I love this thing. I have no idea where I'm gonna put it yet, so it's just sitting here on this table till I figure that out. Next up, I got a new snake plant, but not just any snake plant, this kind of snake plant. And I don't know what kind of snake plant it is, but it looks different and I like it a lot. Just check this thing out. The lady, when I was buying them, was telling me that where these originate from, sometimes people accidentally fall and like they can kill themselves with it. That's just dark, right? But that's crazy. Plants just be out here murking people. Last but not least, this bird of paradise. I know it looks kind of sad, but hear me out. I got this thing at Walmart. The price tag's still on it for $6.50. So, I mean, was I not supposed to buy that? I'm gonna have this plant back together in no time. It'll be looking like this bird of paradise in no time, which is putting out a new beautiful leaf. But anyway, thank you for sticking around. Oh shit. Thank you for sticking around to my Plant Daddy credits. See y'all later on this week.